I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Moonchai Milktea. And Moonchai Milktea is introducing something new to us. Aside from having our classic milk tea, they suggest to pair it with some savory and some salty snacks such as popcorn, and yes guys, this one, corn dogs. And they are pretty affordable too. You can have this popcorn for 50 pesos, which would come in 3 flavors, pwede plain, barbecue, cheese, or sour and cream. And also you can have this corn dog. Yes guys, it's been some time nga ko nakakaon og corn dog, or wala ko kakita og lami nga corn dog here in Cebu. And now we could have one for only 65 pesos only. And their milk tea are quite affordable also, such as you can have this creamy coffee caramel and this creamy Okinawa for only 100 pesos ang large nga size. To order, you may just message their official social media accounts or the numbers I'll be putting down below. And for that, mga ano dito guys, and unahon yun dahil naku ang corn dogs plus the mustard nga liso na ibutang. So for that, magamit ta og kutsilyo, and there, i-layers agad na tuguna ang mustard. Then after having the mustard, sige some more. Then let's put some ketchup na dayon. So yes, i-layer yun na because of course kung naagid ang tarong nga toppings tanan, mas lami yun ang corn dog. And after putting the ketchup, it's time for the cheese. Of course, more cheese, mas better yun. Ayan. Murag lamit na ako di ay kay nagtuto na ang sauce. But well, more toppings or more sauce, mas lami yun na siya. So that's why more mustard, more cheese. Ayan, lipay kay ang bata. Yes, and actually, ganahan ko nga, grabe sila ka-generous sa ilahang condiments actually. So ayan, yehey. So, di ba nagtuto na ko gamay? Sorry na, di ba? Batang hugawan. Sagay chance. At ayan, di ba? Dapat i-dip na lang yun sa cheese para lubos-lubos na og sulit na. Yes, it is now a very cheesy corn dog. And now, let's try one of their classic milk teas, the creamy Okinawa. Anyway, guys, what I would like to flex also and to emphasize, if ever naaman may reusable straw, when you order in your deliveries, make it sure you can inform them nga nanang may straw para dili na sila magpada og mga disposable o cutlery pa. Diba? Murag nahilom jud ko because ako yung gi-analyze because I really like dili kayo siya sweet and there's a proper balance good of the milk and the tea. And now let's have the popcorn. I can't remember when was the last time I have popcorn, and I'm so happy na popcorn nga ready for delivery, and actually it's still crunchy too. So then again, it can come in barbecue, plain, cheese, or sour and cream. Supposedly, I'd like to watch movies with this, pero murag mahurot naman din ako before kumutan sa movie. So for that, let's proceed to the other milk tea. It's the creamy coffee caramel. Honestly, I'm not quite a fan of sweet coffee kay black coffee person ko, but this is a very good option also. For that, balikan yun din akong popcorn. Mahurot naman yun, diba? But then again, guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!